Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and as promised, here's your bonus love reading. I remember this time your love reading was a bit heavy, and I promised that after I finish all the readings, I'm going to give you guys a bonus love reading. So here it is. So I hope this one is a bit lighter and a bit more fun than the last time. Let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aries, you know these are general collective readings, right? Will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. And before we start the reading, let's take a blessing from Lord Ganesha. And then we'll get on with your reading after this, and an angel blessing card as well. And one from my angels for my beautiful Aries, please. A beautiful Aries. An angel blessing card or a advice card for them. Thank you. And thank you. And let's put these back. And let's see what we have for you now. So Aries, the card we get from Lord Ganesha is guidance. Yes, Aries has been getting a lot of guidance, it seems. I mean, you all are here today, right? Listening to and you have, you're a leader. Yes, you are. And that's why you're a leader. Aries, because you have been listening to guidance. You have been going exactly according to what your intuition is saying, according to what spirit says. And slow and steady, you are getting out of whatever wasn't working. And yes, I think a lot of Aries that I've been talking to, there's been the movement starting in their lives. Uh, Whether it's small or big doesn't matter. A subscriber of mine messaged me the other day saying, after I saw the reading, I went and bought a lottery ticket and I won $30. It's not 4 million, but at least it's 30. The whole point here, Aries, is that movement has begun. The wheel of fortune is now moving in your favor, and that's what we were waiting for, right? Things aren't stuck anymore. So slow and steady, you are going to move to your rightful throne. You are the emperor, right? Look at this. You are a leader. And that's exactly where you need to be now. And you're well on your way, getting all the guidance that you need and all the support from the universe. So I would say that's really good. So, and yes, a lot of my Aries have found new jobs. Some of my Aries have secured new contracts for freelancing. My own daughter's an Aries, and she started her business now. She's got 3, 4 big clients just last month itself. So I'm seeing a lot of positive movement happening. And I hope and pray to the universe this continues. And yes, you end up exactly where you're meant to be, as the leader you're supposed to be, right? So Aries, let's see now what's in store for you in your love life. Aries, Aries, Aries. So welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for all your support. And the newbies here, we meet here monthly, weekly, weekends, whenever we feel like it. So do join us, subscribe to the channel. We welcome you, be part of our Omkara family. So newbies, 2 sets of cards, 2 for you. One side is for you, one side is for your partner. And in the center, I have your mutual energy. Things are a bit stagnant still, Aries, in the love department. But it doesn't matter. You're focusing on yourself. Get your pentacles in order. At least that's what it's showing in my bottom of my deck, right? This is a bit of stagnancy still going on. Whether it's from your end or from your person's end, we'll figure out in a second, won't we? So let's see. Person A, you're still angry. Queen of Cups, Swords in reverse. The Chariot. Queen of Wands in reverse. 10 of Wands. Knight of Pentacles. And the 5 of Pentacles. Okay. And the Moon. 4 of Cups. 5 of Cups. Queen of Pentacles. 2 of Cups. And Justice in reverse. Yes, Aries, I think this is you here. You are still upset right now. You're still very angry, but you have, I think, given up on waiting for them, being stuck in a, you're enlightened now, right? But you are also giving up on being stuck, waiting around for anyone. You are taking charge of your life and you're moving ahead, like full speed ahead. That's great. Whatever anger, whatever upset you had in your heart, I think you are kind of letting it go. It's really not worth it, right? Aries is saying, no, no, we are still angry. As I said, you're letting it go. Here comes another card. Aries, now you have your sword up like, look at this. Okay, Aries, come on. Queen of Swords in reverse, Queen of Swords upright, Queen of Wands, which is again you in reverse, right? This is anger, 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 and more anger. You are you're dropping a person big time. Dumping is the word. Aries, dumping. Okay, so, but you're moving ahead, it seems. You are moving ahead in your own life. You're really not bothered, worried. Anybody following behind you, not following you. I mean, the chariot doesn't even have a rear view mirror here. So you're not focused on what's left behind. You're focused on your forward movement now. So, chariot spirit, yeah, you're moving ahead. See, forward movement, new fresh, new beginnings, looking for new things, maybe new love in your life. Or actually, I think you're just focused on your pentacle right now with the page of pentacles energy. Yeah, you're done. You're done crying over the past in regret, feeling sad, feeling sorry. My Aries has now picked themselves up, put them on that chariot, and is charging now. No more looking back in regret. As I said, no rear view mirror. Here it is, right? No looking back. No looking back with regret. Moving ahead. So, Queen of Wands spirit. Why is my Aries in the Queen of Wands in reverse here? Why is my Aries in the Queen of Wands? Again, see, turned your back. You've turned your back, you're no longer looking back. You've picked up your sword and you are dropping anything that doesn't serve you anymore. Ten of Wands spirit. Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands. If you've been, okay, so you are now, if you were confused about this, yes, this person may have hurt you big time because, you got caught in your emotions got caught here, big time. And you started maybe at one point dreaming of this stability and this happiness and this forever and ever after. But right now I see you, Aries, dropping this dream altogether and healing your broken heart, right? You are saying, I'm no longer going to focus on that. I'm going to now focus on myself, focus on something new, focus on anything that can give me a fresh new beginning, and I'm going to heal my broken heart here. You find this person now, this person is showing up as the King of Pentacles in reverse. You find this person very ungrounded now. Maybe you at one point saw them as the stable one and the person who was always going to be there, always going to be your superhero, but didn't turn up like that. But now the way you see them is, yes, this person is ungrounded, can't make up their mind, so I'm going to just leave them behind. I'm going to walk away. And here's my chariot once again. I'm not just walking away, I'm riding away now. Okay, I'm on my chariot. I have the chariot twice for you now, Aries. This is the speed and the focus that you have to walk away now from anything that doesn't serve you anymore. You're letting go of the Five of Coins feeling as well. If you were feeling left out, abandoned, feeling, nothing is working for you, all those feelings you're leaving behind, Aries. You are not fighting for this person anymore. If you were going back and forth in your mind, trying to make a decision in the past, waiting, maybe at crossroads, waiting, maybe, going back and forth, you are dropping this all together now. You're no longer fighting, no longer waiting, and my Aries is flying off. That is nice. So let's see what this person is going through now. Oops, sorry Aries. They want to call you, it seems. I have a phone call coming. Just give me a second. Sorry, Aries. Okay, so let's get on to side B and see what this person is going through. Now, their first card here, Aries, is the Moon in reverse. Now the moon in reverse means that now if they were confused about anything in the past, if they were not making any decision in the past, if they didn't know, oh God, I was about to say if they were confused in the past, they are clear now. And here comes the Ace of Swords, right? So if there was any kind of confusion in their brain, if they were not, not clear as to who they were supposed to be with or what they were supposed to do, this person is now crystal clear. They know exactly. A tad too late, I would say, Aries, because now I think you've given up and they are becoming clear. This is going to be confusing to me. I mean, now it's getting confusing for me. I mean, this person is always one step behind you, it seems. So, okay, so what are they clear about, Spirit? What are they clear about? That all these other options are not going to work, and the one that is for them is only you, Aries. Now, in case this person was in confusion with too many prospects or too many suitors, this person is now totally clear about the one they want, and they don't need to think anymore. They know who is the one cup that is going to was supposed to be for them. Now this person is sitting like all is lost, sitting in depression. Like what's with this person? They have a victim mentality, it seems. I always see them sad and depressed and not doing anything. They kind of enjoy being under this tree all the time, it seems. But now this tree is also getting tired because this card is in reverse now. So this person is feeling like all is lost. Its second card again says the same thing, sitting in their regret, sitting in their looking at the cups that fell to the ground, all the milk is spilled to the ground. All this person has to do is look behind. The two cups are full there, right? They should have done it long time ago when Aries was waiting and praying that they look in their direction. But I think all this person ever does is sits in self-reflection and self-loathing and regret and oof, Aries, this is so unlike you. I mean, Aries is always up and about and let's make a decision and let's jump off that cliff right now. And this person has finally made a decision. Finally, they are clear, but still sitting in their regret. So, Four of Cups, Spirit, for them. Four of Cups. Four of Cups. Now they want to offer you commitment. Now they know this is a divinely made union for them. This is supposed to be my soulmate. Aries was supposed to be my destiny. This was sent, this was like a gift from God. I mean, this is all that this person can think about and thinking of how they've lost it now. Yeah, see, look at this person feeling now they've lost. Now they're not feeling victorious. They feel like a loser. They feel like now people or maybe Aries is now maybe going to make fun of them if they come and tell Aries that now I've realized that I've seen the truth and that you're the one and you're my soulmate or whatever they want to say to you. But they are very clear on that now they figured it out. That after all this time they've realized, oh, so you were there all along and I never saw you, right? But now this person is feeling like a loser, feeling lost, feeling they're not unable to get victory with you now, Aries. Yeah, they feel you've probably put an end to this situation and there is nothing that's going to change your mind. And they also feel now things are finished, over. There's no way that they can have the strength to tell you what can they come and say? That, hey, I kept you stringing for so long because I was going through all my 100 options, and then when you walked away and maybe my options left me as well, I said, oh, Aries was the one. Aries doesn't like that. No. So Five of Cups, Spirit. I'm sorry. I'm quite sure Aries, this side is not you, so I'm not even bothered. But if it's a cross watcher watching this, come on. I mean, yeah. I mean, you are probably laughing at your own self right now for doing what you've done. And even now, if you're sitting in this regret, and I mean, look at the kind of clarity this person has. They know that you're their soulmate. They know it. They know that you are the perfect spouse. You know you're the perfect partner. And look at this person still looking back. I feel like shaking this person up now, Aries, for you. So, Five of Cups, Spirit. Five of Cups. Aries never sits around doing this. Aries doesn't have time to waste. Okay, so yeah, five. Then now they want to end the fight. They want to end the conflict, but they don't know how to say it. They don't know how to bring an apology. They still don't know how to come across to you. They're feeling down and out, betrayed. They're feeling they are a victim. They always have bad luck. They really, from their heart, want to end this, fight altogether now. And but they don't know how to say sorry. They don't have the words. At least I'm speaking slow for a reason, right? This is the way this person's energy is. This is not Aries energy. One more, Spirit. What are they thinking? I know I've been selfish, but I don't have the drive right now. I don't know how to move ahead. I can drive a car, but I don't have the will to drive it, to go and see my Aries. I want not to fight with them anymore, but I've always been betrayed. I've never had luck in love. And what will I say to my Aries now? I know that Aries is beautiful. She's the best thing that could have ever happened to me. Oof, Aries. Queen of Pentacles, Spirit. Why does this person think of Aries as the Queen of Pentacles? Because they know that you are their karma. You are the divinely brought gift to them. The angels have been blowing. Sorry, I don't want to laugh. The angels. Sorry. Oh, come on. Look at. I've got a laughing fit now, Aries. Oh, God. Excuse me, cross watcher. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Shoo. Okay, this is supposed to be a serious reading. Omkara Tarot, shut up. Okay, so the angel has been blowing a trumpet. I have to pause this. Okay, no more laughing, Aries. I have taken my 3 deep breaths, and what I was trying to say that the angels have been trying to blow a trumpet. I don't know where I will put the card. Here it is. So the angel, see, look at the trumpet in this angel's mouth. Doo, 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 wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. I mean, if they couldn't hear the angel's trumpet, what do you expect, Aries? Who do you think you are? I mean, look at this. So this person has not been listening to their wake-up call. The angels have been saying, alarm is going on, wake up, wake up. But this person has just not, this person just doesn't want to wake up. I mean, the angels are telling this person, hey, this is the gift you always wanted. This is the one that was destined for you. This is the one you wanted. Here, wake up. Here, Aries is. Oh, but yes, justice in reverse, right? They just didn't do the right thing on the right time. So, oh, 2 of Cups, Spirit. 2 of Cups. What's this 2 of Cups for Aries and their person? For person B, what's this 2 of Cups? Okay. Now this person knows. It's not that they've been sleeping, they've been pretending so that they wouldn't have to go to school. So they've been keeping their eyes shut. That if I don't open my eyes, I won't be able to see it. So this person has been in the King of Cups energy. They know that this is true. This is true. They have known it all along. It's just that they have been emotionally manipulative. They've been hiding their feelings. They have not been putting in any work to bring this together with you. Okay? For what reason? I don't know. Maybe they had options. They wanted to play around. I have no clue. Why was this person deceptive, Spirit? Why is this Justice card in reverse? Let's have the full story today. Yeah, they were concentrating on their pentacle. They were busy working, trying to create the mansion which they are going to now hopefully live with nobody. Yes, they were being a trickster. They were trying to create illusions to buy more time from Aries so they could spend that much more time to build themselves up to become even richer and have a bigger car or a bigger house which they will go for a drive alone or with one of their whoever, and that's it. And in all that time, they never brought justice to the equation. And now they're sitting in regret because now that fancy card has may probably come or the house is made, but there is no Aries now to sit and have a cup of coffee with. One more, Spirit. Yeah, they know they've caused this tower. That's the best part. So Aries, if they're trying to blame you, they're just covering up their own guilt. They know exactly what they've done. They know exactly what their faults are. And yeah, what can I say? Let's see how mutual energies, if any, now. Page of Cups in reverse, Death in reverse, and the Six of Swords in reverse. Yes, Page of Cups in reverse. Both are, I think, disillusioned at the moment. Aries, you still see them as this player, as this person who's been in and out of your energy. They know that you see them as a player, so they don't have the guts to come and say anything to you, even though they want to, but they want to come and say they want to behave exactly the way they did before. Okay, in their mind, they want to come and attack you once again, not say sorry to you, not say I love you to you, but come quickly and say, it's all your fault. It's all your fault. And this is again very immature energy. It's best not to go towards them, Aries, right now. This is very, very immature energy. Knight of Wands and Knight of Swords. Right? This is like teenage energy. I don't know who you're dealing with here. But still holding on. There's a fear of change here as well. Still not letting things go. Both are reflecting. You're reflecting on all their misdeeds, I think, Aries, and they are also reflecting on their misdeeds, I guess, but both still holding on, not wanting to let it go. I think, Aries, this is your card. You are taking a fresh leap of faith and moving forward in your own life. While you leave them here with their thoughts, with their pentacles, they can look at their pentacles all they want, right? They can take stock of their balance sheets forever. But one more card, Spirit, for the Death in reverse. Death in reverse. You are moving ahead, Aries, because now you don't want to be stressed and tense ever again because of this person. They are not letting you go because now they're seeing you as a good investment as well. The house has come, the car has come, now the third investment. You're not top of the line, Aries, sorry, but in the, whatever their line is now to finally come to you to say, oh, I'm missing a coin here, and that coin was my Aries. So I don't want to be in stress. I want my Aries to build up my investment. Six of Swords, Spirit. Six of Swords. Six of Swords. Six of Swords, Spirit. Oh, what's the Six of Swords? One more. One more. The last card I like to really clarify because I have to give you the correct answer here. Okay, so they want to bring back justice. Okay, they want to return, they want to bring justice back. You could be dealing with a Libra. They have been in reflection mode and thinking and thinking and thinking. They don't want, they know that you're upset and angry with them. They want you to put your defenses down, Aries. They are unhappy without you. Any new love for Aries spirit? Spirit, can Aries please have new love in their life? Anything for new love? Anything for new love for Aries? Anything for new love? Anything for new love for Aries spirit, please? One more. What should they do? That was unclear, spirit. One more. New love for Aries. Okay, new love is there. Aries, you are now, right now, trying to make a decision, right? Right now, I think whoever you're meeting, you're not feeling very happy with. I don't see you making, like meeting the person that you really want to be with. You're trying to choose right now. I think you have some offers on the table which you're not really feeling 100% on the people that you're meeting. You're going through a transformation in your life. It's going to be like a rebirth coming to your life. And yes, some new offers are going to be placed in front of you. Let me take clarifiers. What is this decision, Spirit? The Lovers in reverse? What is this decision that Aries has to make for new love? Decision for new love? Yeah, you're in control, Aries. You can do whatever you want, right? You can choose now new love, old love, next life's love, old life's love, whatever you want. You have the power now. You are no longer bound to anyone. This decision is now with you. This is your card. You are in power, you're in control. It will be a decision made by you. Six of Wands, Spirit. Six of Wands in reverse. Yeah, right now, whoever you're meeting, you don't feel it's like a balanced or an equal match that you've met till now. You're taking your time. Yeah, you are now not even kind of really running after love. You have released the the thought that, oh my God, I must find love. I can't do without love. I think my Aries is doing very well on their own, working on their pentacle. And you're saying, let it happen. I'm releasing control now. You've left it all to the universe. You're saying, judgment card is here. Whatever is in my destiny, let it come to me now. I deserve the best, right? So you want now this angel to blow a trumpet for you so that you can wake up from this slumber and be gifted the best thing for you. And it's coming. I see the Page of Pentacles. Something new, fresh is on the horizon. So let's see, what's this judgment card, Spirit, for Aries? You are, I think, raking in good karma now. Yeah, see how happy you're going to be, Aries. Oh my God, 9 of Cups. 9 full cups. You can choose one cup number 6 or 7 or 2 or 1. I mean, you are going to be sitting pretty with all your options. So, Page of Pentacles, Spirit. Page of Pentacles. One more. Yeah, new things are going to come to you, Aries, because whatever, see, God gave you soulmates, I think, a chance. This soulmate has really bungled things up for you, right? So it wasn't your fault. It wasn't your fault that you lost this love. So now, I think the universe is going to make a judgment in your favor to bring you something brand new. But I don't see you waiting for it. I see you sitting here, grinning ear to ear and saying, all right, let me just take my time and choose the best option for myself. Right? You have the power, you have the control, you can do whatever you want now. You are a leader. You are a leader and you have been, look at God Lord Ganesha taking guidance from all these gods here. That's where you are right now. Right? So you have been good and the universe is going to bless you with lots of blessings now. So that's all I have for you, Aries. This was a fun read. Thank God. Last one was so heavy. I will see you now for your Thursday love bite. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.